Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you legitimately own the iPhone XR. That matters legally and technically. Once done, gather your Apple ID credentials, any receipt or proof of purchase, and a charged device or a Mac/PC. Make sure the phone has at least half battery and a stable connection. I'm not showing ways to defeat security. Instead, you'll follow official recovery methods. This protects your data and avoids legal trouble. Now prepare the account details and a computer so you can proceed with supported recovery options. Next, you use supported recovery paths because they preserve legality and often restore functionality. If Find My is enabled, sign into iCloud. Calm and choose Erase Device to remove the passcode after verifying identity. This erases data but lets you reactivate. Alternatively, put the phone into recovery mode and connect to a trusted computer to restore via Finder or iTunes. This reinstalls iOS but wipes content. If activation lock appears, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. These methods protect both you. Finally, after an erase or restore, you'll set up the iPhone XR and restore from your iCloud or computer backup. Make sure your Apple ID is handy for activation. If activation lock prevents setup, Apple's support process requires documentation of purchase to remove it. This step proves ownership and prevents theft. If anything goes wrong, visit an Apple store or authorized service provider with ID and receipt so staff can assist. A key troubleshooting tip: always keep recent backups to avoid permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.